You're tiny, no weapons, no fire. And in 1 second, a 10-meter giant python explodes out of the grass and wraps around your friend like a living rope. His screams get cut off as it squeezes, tighter, tighter. That actually happened, 5 million years ago. Today we're watching the deadliest encounter our ancestors ever survived. Don't blink, this gets brutal fast. 5 million years ago, Africa is wild. Thick forests meet open savanna. Our ancestors aren't modern humans yet. They're small hominids, about 1 to 1.2 meters tall, maybe 30 to 40 kilograms. They walk upright sometimes, climb trees, eat fruits, roots, insects, anything to stay alive. No spears, no language like ours, just grunts, gestures, and the sharpest brains on the planet. And every day, death is waiting. A small group, 5 or 6 of them, is foraging near a riverbank. The leader is sniffing for ripe fruit. A female carries a baby on her back. Everything feels calm, until the grass moves. Not wind, not a lizard. A shadow, massive, silent, endless, uncoils. This isn't any snake. This is Titanoboa level huge, or at least a prehistoric python ancestor almost as terrifying. 10+ meters long, thicker than a man's torso. It doesn't hiss. It just strikes. The python lunges, lightning fast. Its jaws unhinge and clamp onto the youngest male's leg. He screams, high, panicked primate scream. In seconds the coils wrap around his body, once, twice, 3 times. Bones crack. Breathing stops. The others freeze for half a second, then instinct kicks in. They don't run. They fight. One grabs a broken branch and stabs at the eye. Another throws fist-sized rocks, hard, at the head. The female with the baby shrieks and pounds the tail with both fists. The python thrashes, trying to crush its prey and fend off attackers at the same time. Blood, dust, screams. For a moment it looks hopeless, the snake is just too strong. But early humans had something no other animal did: cooperation under pressure. They coordinate without words. One distracts by jumping on the back. Another finds a sharp stone and slashes at the soft underbelly. The python finally loosens, just enough. The trapped hominid gasps, crawls free, bleeding but alive. The snake, injured, confused by 5 screaming, stone-throwing enemies, finally retreats into the river. It slides away, defeated. They huddled together that night, bruised, bloody, but alive. That one fight probably taught them the most important lesson in human history. Alone equals dead. Together equals we survive anything, even monsters from the past. 5 million years later, we're still here because of moments like this. What do you think? Could you have helped fight that python? Drop a comment, teamwork, or run away. If you felt your heart racing, smash like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Next we face something even bigger.